This is an announcement that I will be oversharing today. Charot! Pero ito, sobrang miss ko na yung parents ko, especially my mom's cooking. My parents live very far away from here, they're in Canada. And yung sobrang hinahanap-hanap namin magkakapatid is yung luto talaga ni mommy. Kasi alam niyo yung kahit anong gaya mo, sinunod mo naman yung recipe, minsan magka-video call pa kayo while cooking the dish. Do you agree or somehow relate na iba talaga pag sila mismo yung nagluto? It's different. Yung comfort, yung familiarity na nabibigay.
And I love 7-Eleven kasi these Pancake House meals are the closest thing to my mom's cooking that I can conveniently get here whenever I want something quick that still feels like home.
I love Pancake House. And 7-Eleven.
And I mean Pancake House na yan diba?
Chicken adobo flakes.
Very reliable when it comes to home-cooked meals ever since. And for 99 pesos, magrereklamo pa ba ako?
Very good kasi kala ko dry siya and it's not at all.
So if mahilig ka sa tapa na on the sweet side,